UNice Amazon has you covered with your next summer unit. Think 90s fine. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. In today's video, we are getting into a unit from UNice Amazon. So I'm just going to go ahead and start by just taking everything out of the box. We'll go over the specs and then we'll go ahead and install. So inside the box, we have a little elastic band, and this has the Velcro on the back. It does have the UNice logo on it. So this is going to be for melting lace, which I will probably have to do because this one has a big closure on it. So also in the box, we have the unit. I'll show you this more in just a moment. We have some Bye Bye Knots lace tape and a pack of HD wig caps. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this unit out of the bag so we can get a better look. We'll talk about the specs. I'll show you the construction. So I'm just taking the netting off as well as the paper. Okay, so here is the unit that we are looking at today. So this is going to be a Yaki straight texture, but let me pull up everything about this unit. So here is what it looks like on Amazon. That is what it looks like. So this is going to be UNice's 7x5 lace part bob wig, human hair, Bye Bye Knot slip glueless wig with silicone strip, drawstring, Yaki straight, layered cut with face frames. It is 180% density. The knots are bleached. It's pre-plucked. And then the length that I have here is 12 inches. Now it does have lengths from 10 inches to 14 inches. So this is going to fall right in the middle. And price for the 12-inch length is going to be $110.89. So this is a natural black color. It is human hair and the texture is a Yaki straight. I'll give you all a close-up so you can see that texture. Now, as far as the construction of this unit, so the lace is pre-cut off. It's already plucked and bleached. So this is going to be a 7x5 closure. Comes with a middle part. However, you're able to part it wherever you would like. It's a free parting closure. There are no combs here in the front. We do have the elastic band on the inside of the unit, one of these thin elastic bands. Also, we have a comb right here in the back, and then we have the drawstring. Also, we have a silicone strip on the inside of the unit, and it starts right there where the lace is and goes all the way around the unit to the other side where the lace is. Now, this unit does have the upgraded mesh cap. Also, I want to take note to right here in the middle, we have these little silicone strips. So this is just going to adhere to your head, providing some extra security, but the cap is very, very stretchy. This is one of their upgraded caps. So we can go ahead and just install now. I'm going to leave on my nude wig cap, and I'm just going to do a voiceover with this unit. I know that I will probably have to fix the face frame on this, but we're going to have to do some work with this as far as bringing out my flat iron, giving it some shape. But I really, really like that the unit comes already pre-plucked, so we don't have to do too much there. To install, I'm going to place that elastic band around the back of my head and then place the back comb in the back of my hair. And when I turn around, I'm just adjusting the unit on my head just to make sure that that part is right in the middle. So now I can go ahead and pull on the drawstring in the back and lock it into place with that little knobby, and then tuck the ends into the back side of the unit. Now I'm just taking a look at that lace, seeing how I want to proceed, and I know that I'm going to spray it down. So I'm taking some Sebastian Hair Shaper Spray. This is the plus one. It's a slightly firmer hold than the regular one, so I'm just spraying that right there on the lace, on the hairline, and then I'm going to take the elastic band that was sent with the unit, attach the Velcro in the back, and then just slide it up on my head and let it sit on top of that lace and let it sit on for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, while that lace is melting, I'm going to go ahead and style the unit. So I'm taking a section of hair from the ear forward, and I'm taking my shears and then angling down to cut that face frame. It already came with a face frame, but I just wanted to pop a little more. And I'm doing the same exact thing on the other side. So sectioning out from the ear forward, shears angled down, and then just trimming that face frame. I have my bioionic flat iron heating up, and I am just going to take large sections of the hair and just put a light bend into it. We don't want a church bump, but we just want a slight bend. So again, large sections. You don't need to take tiny sections with this hair, just large sections. And then with the flat iron, just make sure you're putting a bend at the end of the hair. Styling this unit took absolutely no time at all. So now the lace has been melting for about 10 minutes or so. So we can go ahead and remove the elastic band. So just removing the Velcro in the back. And I'm taking my powder, which is Maybelline Fit Me in the color 330 with an angled brush, and just brushing some of that product right there in the parting space to make that part pop. I'm emphasizing right there where my wig cap is. And now with my contouring powder and a brush, I'm just going to dab some of the powder just right there on the lace around the hairline. Since the lace is still kind of visible, I'm going to take some more of that Sebastian Hair Shaper spray and just moisten the lace a little bit. And that is it for this install. Super quick, easy, and definitely a beginner-friendly unit. All right, guys, so that was the install, and here is the final look. It's giving 90s fine. I love me a face framing unit, and the length is absolutely perfect. 12 inches, perfect for summer. This is an entire look. I absolutely love a Yaki straight texture because it just mimics natural hair so well. It's like relaxed hair or a silk press on natural hair. It's so pretty, it's soft, it's flowy, it's bouncy, it's absolutely gorgeous. The best thing about this unit is it's on Amazon Prime, so you could get it within a day or two. So super duper fast shipping. This unit is very much so affordable, $110. If you wanted the 10 inch, it's $101. 14 inch is $118. So very, very affordable for a human hair unit. This unit is so beginner friendly, I feel like. Now, I did have to spray mine down just because I have a lower hairline. So lace this like this wide, I do have to spray it down to kind of conceal it. But if you like the length of this lace, then you are free to wear this as glueless. But for me, I did have to spray it down, but love the way that this turned out. The texture is amazing. The length is amazing. Now, straight out of the box, it did come with a face frame, but as you saw with the install, I did kind of emphasize it just a little bit more. So if you do want to pronounce your face frame just a little bit more, it's super duper easy. All you have to do is section from the ear forward and then just angle your shears downward. Good to go. Easy peasy. I also wanted to show you the free parting lace. So again, 7x5 closure. We have lace from here to here and then goes all the way back here. So it comes as a middle part. If you did want to part it over to the left side, then you would be able to do that. If you wanted to bring it over to a right side part, you will be able to do that. The only thing about changing the part is that you will have to either wash the unit and mold it down, or you can just bring out your hot comb and just flatten it out so you have that part. But yes, also the cap is very, very comfortable. We have traditional ear tabs, however, they fall exactly where they need to fall, so that's always a good thing. But yes, free parting closure, so you can part this wherever you like. If you want to do a little ponytail here at the top, or little two pieces out here, and then pull the rest into a ponytail, then you will be able to do that too, like something like this. And just have this up here in a ponytail, then you could do that too. So lots of possibilities with this unit. This unit is beginner friendly, it's gorgeous, it is a summertime fine unit, 90s fine. Love the texture, love the face frame, love everything about this unit, love that it has a drawstring in the back. So it can fit all head shapes and sizes. Now, since my head is a little bit on the smaller side, the cap is a little large, but it's because it can fit so many different head shapes and sizes. So a win. It is a win. This unit is very much so secure. It's not going anywhere. We don't have combs in the front, which will make this unit uncomfortable. No combs in the front. We do have that silicone all around this unit to adhere to our head, add that extra security. We have a comb in the back, we have that elastic band in the inside, and we have a drawstring. This unit is not going anywhere, I promise you. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this unit. Also the density, let's talk about the density. So the density is 180% with a Yaki straight texture. It's a lot of hair on this unit. It is very, very full, which I absolutely love. Love, love, love. I did get a couple of strands of shedding, but this unit has some strands to shed. I mean, it's a lot of hair on this unit. She is thick. She is very much a thick unit. Also, I want to do a full 360 one more time. So, of course, we have the front. And this is the side. The length is so perfect. It is so perfect. Here is the back. Flowy, bouncy, not going anywhere, stiff wear. Side again, and front. Let me give you all a close-up of this lace. So here it is. And I did have to put a little bit of makeup on there, but that was pretty much it. This unit is a go. It is a go. I just love the look of it. I feel like I belong in Love Jones or something. All right, but that concludes this video. I hope you all enjoyed this review. I'm going to put everything down in the description box below. I'm going to put a link to this gorgeous unit from Amazon Prime. Go ahead and order this unit so you can get it by tomorrow. If I have any promo codes, I'll put it down in the description box below. All the details will be down below, so make sure to check out the description box. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all in the next video.